Options after BDS. Dentistry is one of the oldest medical professions dating back to 7000 BC with the Indus Valley civilization. Dentists' area of care include not only their patients' teeth and gums, but also the muscles of the head, neck and jaw, the tongue, salivary glands, the nervous system of the head and neck, and other areas. Dentistry is a regulated profession. The degree of BDS, that is Bachelor of Dental Surgery, amounts to 4 years of professional study along with 1 year of compulsory rotatory internship. During these 4 years of professional study, students are educated in basic sciences along with their application in clinical dentistry. Acing the dental school is a dream come true for every student. Now the question arises, what next? So in this video, we shall look at certain options which are available for fresh BDS graduates. The first option after BDS is most commonly general dental practice. The general trend is to work as an associate dentist in private clinics till you gain the adequate experience to set up your own practice. If you are confident enough in the dental procedures, you may want to start a clinic right away. In today's era of medical advancement, we also have numerous corporate chain of clinics wherein fresh graduates can practice and gain experience. Starting a dental practice is something that your dental school does not prepare you for. To be successful, dentists must not only have great clinical skills but also understand the business side of dentistry. So, though it's a lucrative option, it requires a lot of experience. So let's look at some other options such as academics. So if you're interested in joining academics, you can join a dental college as a tutor. The pay may vary in different institutions and based on your experience. Opting for higher education in a specialized dental field is a common trend. Based on your interest in various dental specialties, you can also pursue a master's degree in dental surgery. MDS is available in 9 specialties. Master of Dental Surgery is a full-time degree of 3 years duration. You can also opt for a postgraduate diploma, which is available in most of the clinical branches. Or you can opt for certificate courses, which are shorter duration courses of about 6 months, such as implantology courses and aesthetic dentistry. Cosmetic dentistry is related to an improvement in the appearance of teeth, gums, or bite of the patient and is a part of dentistry which is in demand in today's time. You can also pursue master's degree courses such as MSc in forensic odontology or clinical research. Forensic odontology is the application of dental science to legal investigations primarily involving the identification of the offender by comparing dental records to a bite mark left on the victim of the scene, at the scene, or identification of human remains based on dental records. Whereas clinical research is a branch of healthcare science that determines the safety and effectiveness of medications, devices, diagnostic products, and treatment regimens intended for human use. If you're interested in management degrees, you can opt for MBA in Hospital Management, Health Administration, Healthcare Management or Hospital Management is the field relating to leadership, management and administration of public health systems, healthcare systems, hospitals and hospital networks in all the primary, secondary and tertiary sectors. Masters in Public Health. Public health has been defined as the science and art of preventing disease, prolonging life and improving quality of life through organized efforts. You can also opt for a master's degree in biotechnology and molecular biology if you're interested in the research aspect of dentistry. You can also opt for government jobs, such as jobs in defense services. Every year, the Army Dental Corps releases application forms for recruitment in the Army. To be eligible to apply for the Army Dental Corps, you need to take your NEET exam prior to that, and based on the score, you can apply for Army Dental Corps. Another option available is the railways. Forms are released based on requirements in different regions. If you are good in academics, you can also look forward to UPSC and the state PSC exams. wherein you can get selected as a public servant. There are also government institutions like ECHS, that is ex-serviceman contributory health scheme, and ESI, that is Employees State Insurance Corporation. Based on the regional requirements, forms are released, following which interviews are conducted and candidates are selected. The forms are basically released based on different regional requirements, so you need to keep a lookout for your region. You can also apply for DRDO and ICMR. These institutions generally release form for a particular project, and the posts are generally as a junior research fellow or a research associate. In DRDO, mostly forms are released pertaining to a research project based on dental implants, so you can apply for that. Other options are NRHM and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So they also release form based on their requirements, either annually or as the need may be for different projects. So these were the options available in India. Let's look at the options abroad. So the BDS degree in India is not identified in other countries. In order to practice dentistry there, you need to pursue their course in dentistries, which are DDS, that is Doctor of Dental Surgery, and DMD, that is Doctor of Dental Medicine. You can also opt for Masters in Science degree or Master of Public Health, or you can pursue PhD, that is Doctor of Philosophy. DDS and DMD enable you to practice dentistry in those countries, such as US and Canada, whereas the MS, MPH, and PhD degrees are research-oriented. In order to be eligible for these degrees, you need to take your English exam, either IELTS or TOEFL. You need to sit for your NBDA exams, which are MCQ-based exams, taken in two parts, Part 1 and Part 2. You need to have a good and consistent academic background, a recommendation letter from your professors, at least two, and a statement of purpose. Why do you intend to study in that country? On selection for the courses of DDS and DMD, you join as a third-year student and you need to pursue 2.5 years of education. Now in US, you cannot practice without obtaining a degree there, but there is another lucrative option available in Canada where you can apply for NDEB licensure. For that, you need to be a graduate from your country and you need to verify your education credentials, following which you have to take the exams in Canada. The first exam is AFK, the Assessment of Fundamental Knowledge. You need to achieve at least a score of 75, following which you will be eligible either to pursue DDS in Canada, or you can opt for the second set of exams, which is the ACJ and ACS, the Assessment of Clinical Judgment and Assessment of Clinical Skills. And after you clear all these three exams, you can finally sit for OSCE and apply for NDEB licensure. A similar kind of procedure in United Kingdom are the ORE exams. ORE is an exam that overseas qualified dentists have to pass in order to register with the General Dental Council. Registration allows dentists to practice unsupervised in United Kingdom. It is taken in two parts. Part 1 is a written exam, which is designed to test application of knowledge to clinical practice, and then a Part 2 exam, which is the clinical exam, wherein the candidate needs to demonstrate their practical clinical skills. You can also opt for MFDS, that is member of the Faculty of Dental Surgery. Passing the MFDS exam entitles you to become a member of a UK Royal College. It is again taken in two parts. Part 1 is a written exam and Part 2 is an OSCE exam, that is objective structured clinical examination with simulated real-life patient scenarios. For Australia, you need to sit for the ADC exams, which is conducted by the Australian Dental Council. It is again taken in two stages. Following an initial assessment of your degree, you need to sit for the written examination, which is a computer-delivered examination held in multiple locations in Australia and overseas. Following its successful completion, you need to sit for the practical exam that assesses your clinical expertise. So these were various options available for a BDS graduate. Based on your field of interest, you can opt for higher education or research-based jobs or government jobs, or you can plan to study abroad. I hope you have liked this presentation. Do let me know in the comment if you want to know about a particular topic in detail or a particular exam in detail. And you can also share other options which are available after BDS in the comment section. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.